So a couple more observations or notes I should make if we're talking about cleaning a saw. So I did get this pretty good. There's still stuff in there, but you know, unless you have a high pressured air or a high air pressure hose or something like that, it's really high. And even then you don't get it all, but I did get it pretty good. And it looks like this is where the oil comes up, goes into here probably, that channel. So that's pretty clean. I did pull the air filter off. That's kind of interesting. You have to unscrew this quite a bit and then gently pull up on it to pull the cap off. Or actually like this. Then it comes off good. Doesn't come off until you have it fully unscrewed though. You would think it'd be loose, but you can't get a hold of it. The other thing is, so when you're checking the air filter or cleaning it, make sure you pull the choke out so it closes up the air vent there. You don't want stuff going in there. And I try to tip it upside down and blow the stuff out that way. But the air filter looks really good. I didn't really do anything with it. It doesn't look too bad at all. Could take it in and run some water through it. But it's not too bad. Might do that. Okay, I'll probably check the spark plug yet. Pull that off. Wire brush that off. And then put it back together and clean it a little bit with the WD-40 and then make the shield. So just a couple points. Put it back together.